We are told in Islam that if you're taking food from a Muslim, you don't have to investigate whether this person is bringing you halal food or not. You can accept their word unless you're certain that they're not being truthful or they're mistaken. Let's say you eat this food and in God's knowledge, in reality, it's haram, but you think it's halal. You have not committed a sin for sure, but does that have an impact on you? The food we eat, brothers and sisters, has an impact on us, on our soul, even on our body, on our taqwa, on our piety, and even on our children and grandchildren and grandchildren. It does have an effect. Haram food does have an effect. There's no doubt about that. Many narrations about this, many stories about this. However, if I don't know that this is haram food, will it still have that impact? I'll be honest with you, there still will be some effects. That's why it's always good to seek precaution, but not to be obsessive. There are some people, I'm not going to eat anywhere. No, that's not good. If you're invited, be respectful and polite and accept invitations. That's fine. However, what I would recommend is that you do things to compensate for the negative effects of possible haram food and to cancel it out. For example, if you pray Salat al-Layl with the intention, with the niyyah, oh Allah, if I've eaten anything, that's haram. If anyone has given me haram money that I am unaware of, I am praying this salah so you negate the effect. Allah will negate the effect. Oh Allah, I am donating $1,000 because the Quran says what about sadaqah? خُذْ مِنْ أَمْوَالِهِمْ صَدَقَةً. What does it do? تُطَهِّرُهُمْ بِهَا. Take the sadaqah from them because the sadaqah purifies them. One act that purifies you from these effects is charity. If you donate $100, $50, donate with the intention, oh Allah, if there is any effect on me, on my progeny, on my family, then remove it with this sadaqah. Because you have said in your book that sadaqah purifies us. So from now on, let's do this. There are acts you can do which compensate the negative effects. But I'll be honest with you, there are some negative effects. If someone eats haram food, even if unknowingly, see, it's just like someone who drugs you. You think this is a medicine, you take it, no one's going to hold you accountable because you didn't do anything wrong. But if there are drugs in it, will it impact you or no? Yes, it will. If someone gives you water and there's alcohol in it and you don't know, it's not haram to drink it, but will you get drunk? Yes. There is some effect, but there are acts that negate the effect.